I'm Tina. I work with the Quad Cities International Airport, and I work as the lead customer service agent as well as trainer, and we work Allegiant flights as well as any charters that may come through the airport. I've been with the Quad Cities Airport since 2005. I started with the AirTran flights, and then we moved on to other airlines and charters, and I've been enjoying it for 16 years. As a lead customer service agent, I check in passengers and get them prepared for their flight. And then we come to the gate and we help board the passengers. We help passengers that need wheelchairs and any other special assistance. We load bags. We make sure the bags are going to the exact place they need to go. We service the aircraft as well, and we do it in a timely manner. They only give us so much time to turn a plane, and we do our best to get them out of here on time. Our Quad Cities Airport has helped assist 53 honor flights using Sun Country as well as Allegiant Airlines as a charter flight. We check in our veterans and our guardians, and we get them up to the gate. We support them 100% of the way and get them out so they can go to Washington, D.C. for the day. And when they come back, we have a hero's welcome when they come back in, and we just love seeing our veterans and the smiles on their faces for all the service that they have given us. I love all the passengers that come in here. We've become friends, a lot of us. They look forward to seeing me every time that they come in. They look forward to seeing my other agents as well that we have, and we just love having them here. People should fly out of the Quad Cities International Airport because it is quick and easy to get into. You park in the parking lot, you're in the building within 5 to 10 minutes. The checkout is very easy and quick most times. TSA normally isn't that busy, and we get you in and out, and we have great customer service, and we assist passengers through security and assist them to the gate if needed, and we just make their experience a more happy one than a stressful, busy airport would be.